Hello. In this video, I will show you how to make a new TikTok account. Now, it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then open TikTok. Just simply search that on your Google. Now, over here in the login page, just simply click on login. Now, you will have an option of sign up. Choose this option. Now, you will have a lot of ways to sign up on TikTok. So, you will have your phone or email. You can sign up with your Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Now, it's totally up to you which option you want to choose. Now, in my case, I'm going to go with Google over here. So, just simply click on continue with Google if you're choosing that option. Then, just simply choose your Google account over here. After that, just simply click on continue. Now, just simply wait for a few seconds. Now, just simply enter your date of birth. Then click on next. Now, there might be some authentication question, so you have to solve it. After that, just simply choose a username that you want. Now, you can choose from the suggestion over here, or you can write your own username right over here. It's totally up to you. Now, after choosing your username, just simply click on sign up, and then you should be signed up on your TikTok account, as you can see right over here. So, that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.